Hello and welcome to Easy Slide Locks. This device goes beyond standard locks as it has a built-in siren which is activated when tampered with. Depending on which way the shackle is inserted will determine whether or not the siren is alarmed. Wind will not activate the alarm, however if someone was to tamper with it, a warning sound is given. Should they continue, the lock will not only activate under impact, it is also sensitive to lock picking. As before, it will send off a warning. Should we continue? In this example, the Easy Slide lock is activated when the pad bolt is unscrewed. Easy Slide can handle many conditions, if it's frozen or even underwater. The lock is not only subject to tampering with. As we've armed the lock, the entire chain is also armed. Should we go to tamper with it, a warning is sounded, and should we continue, there is a range of Easy Slide locks accommodating many uses. This one, for instance, can be used on bicycles. The Easy Lock EZ206R is another product to keep your bike or motorcycle safe. The highly visible stretchable cable can be put through a helmet and onto the Easy Slide lock. This also applies to the lock that attaches to the rear motorcycle disc. All locks are installed with batteries, however you'll receive a set of LR44 spares that will last an additional 9 to 12 months.